I welcome you all in my lecture. Children, tell me one thing. Are you enjoying this e-learning? Yes. But children, some days you have to do this work. Then we'll meet in school. Okay? You do your learning in the mobile, and afterwards when we'll meet in school, we'll do in class. Okay, children? So children, today I am going to teach you a new letter. That is letter G. Can you see letter G? Yes, it's a letter G. And it's very simple, children. So, we are going to start letter G. First, I am going to show you what's the sound of letter G, what are the words start with letter G, and how we have to write letter G. Okay? So, this is letter G. So, this is curve. Can you see the curve? And then from curve, children, you have to go up, and then sleeping line and standing line. This is uppercase G. This is lowercase g. Okay, children? So this is letter G. Yeah, children, can you see this? Yes. Curve, standing line, and from here you have to do like this. Okay, children? And this is lowercase. This is uppercase, means capital G. This is lowercase g, means this is small g. Okay. Now what is the sound of letter G, children? G, g, goat. The sound of letter G is, children, g, g, g. Say with me, g, 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 g. Yes, this is the sound of letter G. And children, the words start with letter G are, tell me, G for goat. Yes. G for girl. Can you see girl? Yes, it's a girl. G for gate. Yes. When we enter in a building, yes, there is a big gate. Can you see this picture? Yes, it's a gate. And G for giraffe. It's an big animal. It's a tall animal. Yes, giraffe. Yes, it starts with letter G. G, g, glass. G, g, grass. All these words start with letter G. Okay. The sound of letter G is g, 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 g. Okay. So, now you have learned the sound. Now you have learned the word also. So, now we are going to learn how to write letter G. Okay. This is very important because you know the sound and you know the words. But in this class, I will show you how to write letter G. Okay. So children, so as I have drawn lines for you, 3 red and blue line. Yes. So first you are going to start from red line, children. Like this. C, first C you have to write until blue line. Okay, children. Blue line तक ही लिखना है, नीचे तक नहीं आना है. Okay. हाँ. Can you see this? Blue line, curve, and from this you have to go up. ऐसे. Okay. Standing line you have to do, and from here small sleeping line and again small standing line. It becomes letter G. Don't worry, I am going to show you one more time. Curve. First you have to write C. Okay, now from here you go up till blue line. Okay. Then from blue line you have to do small sleeping line and standing line. It becomes letter G. This is capital letter G. Curve, up, sleeping line, standing line. It's become letter G. Okay, children? So this was capital letter G. Okay, now I am going to show you small letter. First we are going to see this word, children. Can you see this word? Yes. So where is G? Can you see G? Yes, this is gift. So gift, where is G? So you have to underline G. This is letter G which we are going to learn today. This is king. But the G is in the last. That's okay. Then also I am going to do underline letter G because we are learning letter G. In this, children, here it is letter G. Okay. So this becomes letter G. Now we are going to see lowercase g. So you have to start from blue line. Children, all the lowercase letter comes in a blue line. जो भी छोटे letters होते हैं वो blue line में आते हैं, and the capital letters start with red line. Okay? So curve, here also curve, small c you have to write, and from here standing line and curve. Okay, like this. Okay children, curve, standing line, curve. It's become letter G. Curve, go up, down. It's become letter G. One more time. Curve, you have to do curve, and then standing line and curve. It becomes letter G. So children, if you are not getting how to write, tell your mama to give a dot like this, and on dot you can write like this. Curve, standing line and small curve. It becomes letter G. So this was capital letter G, this was small letter G. Now together how to write children? Same way, curve, up, down, and curve, standing line and curve. It becomes letter G. Okay? Curve, up and down, sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Small you have to do, and curve and like this. Okay? So children, okay, one more time I am going to show you curve. Up you have to do sleeping line. Can you see? And standing line, curve and one more curve. Okay children, so this is letter G. This is uppercase G, lowercase g, and this is together I have written. So today we have learned letter G children. It's very simple. You also do practice at home. If you don't know how to do, tell your mama to give you dots. Okay, you first practice on a dot. You have slate at home. So do practice on slate, okay? Till then, bye. And children, take care of yourself and your parents, okay? Bye.